In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stylus writing to Notion. If you've ever wanted to sketch, handwrite notes, or brainstorm visually right inside your Notion pages, this is a simple way to do it. We're going to embed a live, interactive whiteboard so you can draw on any device, including phones and tablets with a stylus, and have it all show up in your Notion workspace. First, open your browser and go to excalidraw.com. This site gives you a clean virtual whiteboard that works in your browser with no setup. When the page loads, you'll see a blank canvas with drawing tools. Go ahead and write or draw something, anything at all, even a quick line or your initials. This step generates a unique URL for your specific whiteboard, which is what lets Notion embed it and keep it in sync. Next, look to the top right and click Share. You'll see an option to get the link to your whiteboard. Copy that URL to your clipboard. This link is important because it points to the exact canvas you just touched, so the embed you create will always reflect that same board. Now switch back to your Notion page. In the page body, type /excalidraw and press Enter. That pulls up the Excalidraw embed option so Notion knows you're about to add a whiteboard. When the embed prompt appears, paste the Excalidraw link you just copied, then press Enter. And there you go. The whiteboard appears right inside your page, ready for you to use. From here, the embedded canvas will be available wherever you open this Notion page on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Mobile. That means you can grab a stylus on your tablet to sketch diagrams, annotate notes during a meeting, or brainstorm ideas, and then open the same page on your laptop to review and continue. The link you use ties everything together, so updates on the canvas are reflected everywhere the page is opened. A quick tip: if the embed looks blank, make sure you wrote something on the Excalidraw canvas before copying the link, since that action creates the unique URL. Also, because this is a live embed, a stable internet connection helps the whiteboard load smoothly across devices. And remember, the same link you embedded is what keeps the canvas consistent. So hold on to it if you ever need to re-embed the board elsewhere. And there you go. Your Notion page now supports stylus-friendly writing through an embedded Excalidraw canvas. That's all. Enjoy drawing in Notion on any device and keeping your handwritten ideas right where you need them.